Hi, and that's Whimsy, and I'm playing Pony Island. Did I only use the mouse?
There's some keyboard parts, but it's very deliberate when it wants you to use the keyboard.
Okay, I feel like I should know my own game.
Would you like to quit the game?
No, I had a nice break, thank you.
I think you have to click on the glitch.
Wait, the glitchy glue.
Time for more witchcraft. You know, we'd probably be better at commentating if we did this more often than 2 weeks.
Probably.
Than every 2 weeks. More often than 2 weeks. That makes it sound like we do it for 2 weeks straight. Someday. Possibly someday relatively soon. Depending on some factors that regard you.
Is it under?
Don't ask me.
Is it over?
It's all witchcraft to me.
Okay, so
Might as well be Hebrew.
I'm just gonna let it do that for a little while. Because if I remember correctly, they will turn green when it gets happy. Oh, okay, I see what I want to do. Okay.
Apparently Hebrew is really complicated. I have no idea.
There we go.
Something about it being backwards.
What?
My Fair Lady.
What?
There's a song in My Fair Lady where Professor Higgins, the English teacher, well, he's not an English teacher, he's a phonetics professor, is talking about how the English people tend to have terrible accents that he hates. I like them, but he hates them because he's a language snob. And he's talking about different languages, you know, how these people learn their language this way and these people learn their language this way, which they don't. Everywhere has hick accents of some kind. And he says the French will learn their French, etc., like that. The Hebrews learn it backwards, which is absolutely frightening. And I have no idea what that means. Other than apparently Hebrew is complicated.
I figured out the thing I was supposed to do.
While I kept you entertained, rambling about an old play. I recently saw the local high school perform that play.
I don't want to skip that.
It's long. Pretty good performance. The kid did a backflip.
No, just...
I thought you said you solved the thing.
I'm working on solving the thing. I know what I'm supposed to do.
She didn't solve the thing.
Oh my god.
She lied to me.
Stop it! Okay, now you can go.
Is Pony Island getting frustrating?
No, it's just not doing
No, it's not getting frustrating, she said frustratedly.
That's how you
I
write a
don't
book.
watch Archer. Maybe click on the next thing.
I was trying to scroll it like I do my phone, okay? And it's not working.
Does your phone have a mouse?
You don't know my life. But that's colorful.
Oh, that was a... I told you to take a break.
I did.
I need more time here. You're not ready for the boss fight. Let me just code up some more levels. Oops. Just a typo. Hold on.
You're an asshole. And I hate
Was
you.
there a typo? I didn't notice it. Oh, after applying Sombra on Pony Hoof, it does look like a Sombra pony. Absolutely.
No, it doesn't.
It does. More content build. Hope it's good. Doubt. Create more ponies.
They're little me's. I have babies. Ponies are cute.
Do you know the word pony was actually banned by 4chan for a period of time? In any context? On every board? For a while. It's not anymore to my knowledge, but I've actually never been on 4chan. Lucas goes on 4chan to read conspiracy theories.
I need this.
It's data over 99? Question mark?
Not yet.
So more witchy spells are being performed here.
It's not witchy.
I is a witch. She's a witch. I'm just repeating the same thing, aren't I? Actually, that probably gets annoying just by being, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. And then oftentimes I watch the video, in editing, and I'm not doing that thing that I'm saying I'm doing. So I'm apparently just extremely not self-aware at all. The more you know. That doesn't apply to this context at all.
Okay.
I really should be watching to see if I can actually figure out what in the heck you're doing.
Oh, you won't be able to. Stupid! Just someone.
Are you having trouble?
No!
She's
It's.
having trouble.
Now I need to put
I'm just trying to be snide with her.
She's being mean.
Yes. Payback.
See, but I can actually beat mine without taking like 5 minutes.
Do you want to play mine instead? You can just tell me how to do the puzzles on here.
That's not how that works.
It does if I do it badly enough. You'll just get frustrated and tell me how to do it. You said so last episode. That screen is very dirty. Can we clean it? Click, 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 click. Oh, you should see how I was playing that point-and-click horror game. Because you were supposed to click on things to get certain things to happen, and you had to click on things over and over again, and I am impatient as fuck, so I'm just going click, 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 which is the equivalent of me coming up to some random object and just going to it repetitively. Or picking up an object, like, oh, picked this up, setting it down. Now I'm picking it up again. Now I'm setting it down. Now I'm picking it up, set it down.
Why?
Over and over and over again. Because I couldn't get things to happen, and it was annoying me. And then there would be some sort of jump scare, and Pup would jump out of her skin, and I'd just be like, wait, what happened? I was too busy clicking. I missed the jump scare.
Ooh,
That's a thing. It's a little anime character.
it's a generic new mascot. It's kind of cute.
I was just about to say it's kind of ugly. Slow down. She wants you to slow down.
I don't care.
Look at all those data-y things.
Yep. Okay, so... Haha, this is an actual puzzle.
My neck is cracking every time I do this, but super quietly. I should probably stop doing it then. Why is it doing that? Okay.
Okay,
What do the purple ones do? Because I know what the rest of them do.
the purple ones make a teleport.
To the other purple one?
Yes.
Okay. Now, if I knew where you actually wanted to go, maybe I could figure. No.
No?
So just gonna get down, and then
There we go. Wrong one. Sorry. You know what? You are gonna go into this corner so you don't irritate the fuck out of me. Because otherwise that's exactly what you're gonna do. Okay, you have to go down there and then I have to get you back over here.
okay.
Go. Okay. Now that goes here. And that goes right there. That. Okay.
I can't. Ish. Like, I understand what she's doing, but I still
And
don't
then
know
if
where
that's-
she's trying to get it.
Okay, you take me back over there.
We're
Okay.
just both kind of having private conversations.
Can I do that? Is that a thing? This. Okay, so
Where are you trying to get it? To load game?
what I have to do is I have to get the B data over level 99 so I can get the C data plus that, and then I put a teleporter there, and then make it go all the way down and do stuff. But I have to do that multiple times before I can actually get it over there.
In other news, we have matching pants.
We went for a walk. It was raining.
These pants don't belong to either of us. That's why they match. And are the same size, thus are not the proper size for either of us. Interesting commentary. Continuing commentary. Prompt. Desperate attempt at humor.
You're not funny.
That's why I said desperate attempt at humor.
Okay, so if I start at the beginning, and then I put the loop goes over there, it goes down, it's... Oh!
Oh?
But that'll set it way back, so that'll set it way back. I don't want it to do that, so if I... Okay, I'm gonna try a thing. But but I don't think it'll let me do that. What happens if I do this? Is it just gonna restart? Okay. Okay, so I put a loop there, put the loop over there, it goes there, I move the loop over there, put the loop. But that's not how loops work.
We could be here for a while. And we're both tired and providing minimal dialogue for not saying much. Really, she's actually saying more than I am, which is not how this is supposed to work at all. The one that's not playing is supposed to be the one keeping the narrative going. Narrative.
Because we're not very good at playing a game, and... Yeah. Okay, so first I need you to go over there. Get the fuck over there. Then... I don't know what I want from there, because if I put it right there, it does that, it goes that, and then it makes it go back to 0. If I put it over there and hits that, it goes all the way back to there and makes everything back to 0. And I can't put it there and then put it there, because that's not how that fucking works! Now I'm getting frustrated.
I was actually relatively chill. Except for the part where I, cat attacked the keyboard, but I was relatively chill in my Let's Play for this week. Relatively speaking.
Wait.
That
Wait.
waits what?
What if I do this? Fuck you too!
So I'm tempted to go off just on a random anecdote, but then I keep figuring she'll finish the puzzle as soon as I start, and then I won't be able to finish my anecdote.
Fuck away. Can I just,
So one time I went sledding in a fishing boat. That was a bad idea. It was a very long, steep hill. So literally...
Shit.
Okay, no, you didn't finish it as soon as I started my anecdote, because that would have been a little frustrating.
No.
Anyway, small rickety fishing boat that hadn't been out in the water in years. Only meant for 4, maybe 6 people. So you cram me, my sister, our 2 uncles, a cousin and his sister, another cousin, and 2 more cousins. That's 9 people, all into this little boat. You know, we're not adults or anything at the time. I would have been quite little blonde mess. But still, too many people for this little fishing boat. Push it up this long-ass steep hill that's surrounded by trees on every side, and just cram us all in there and just go down the hill. And it's all fine and good and terrifying and just a stupid idea. And then I chickened out, and I jumped out of the boat. And then it turns out we all forgot about something, because a certain uncle of mine had a habit of taking buckets of water to that sledding hill in the middle of winter and pouring them out onto the snow to create ice ramps. But it had snowed recently enough and heavily enough that this ice ramp was covered up, and we forgot about it. So after I jump out of the boat hits the ice ramp and flips over on top of everyone else.
Fuck!
Meanwhile, I'm just disorientated in a snowbank.
I know
There was
what
a lot of fucks coming from that boat. Bad idea. Don't sled in fishing boats. They flip over. Don't make ice ramps. They flip fishing boats over. We got in a lot of trouble for that. My grandpa was not happy. Not like he was gonna use the boat for anything, but... We also used to have wars with apples out there. Because there were apple trees, and we had tennis rackets, and we'd, like, hit the apples at each other. And we'd be standing on these old cars that my grandpa had back there, and it was just surrounded by itchweed. You know, burning nettles. So if you fell off of one of the cars, you fell into raspberry bushes and burning nettles.
It's been like 15 minutes, and I didn't get like at all anything done.
I started anecdoting, so
well, I'm figuring out
like these are things that I wrote like stupid memoirs on in middle school. Well, I think I wrote a poem about that, the Apple War thing, because that I didn't have like a particular story in mind where we did that. I don't really remember a particular time. My sister also... My older sister tried to feed me to our neighbor's dog when I was like 2. Turned out the dog was really nice, though.
Okay.
And had puppies.
Okay, so you want to know how you fucking do this?
How?
If I don't fucking keep fucking up? Okay, so what I do is I put a loop here.
Mm-hmm.
And then I put the other loop here, so it moves it over there. I put one of the loops and I put it down here until it gets here. And then I put the other loop right there, so that way the little key thing goes right here. As soon as the little key thing goes right here, I take out a loop and I put this right here. That moves it over here and moves it down. And then a loop stays here. And then I move the loop and this thing back and forth over here, so it keeps going in that pattern until B is over 99. And then I put a loop here, and I don't fuck up, and then the C data will get over 100, and then I can do that, and then if I don't fuck up, I can do it! And my foot's numb.
Yeah, my ankle is starting to hurt a bit.
So that's what I have to do.
And I need to save some anecdotes for the next time. Okay, so didn't make much progress. We didn't make much progress. I don't know why I'm talking like... We didn't make much progress in Pony Island today. Hopefully we will remedy that next time.
And I know how to solve this. I will solve it at the beginning of the next one.
Bye.
Later. You guys are
It's my
actually
fault
wonderful
I'm
people.
terrible at my job, because just look at how terrible I am at this game that probably, in hindsight, isn't actually very difficult.
So how many more tries are you going to do until we call it quits? So, we noticed this bruise on Whimsy's leg.
No clue where that came from.
But it kind of looks like an eagle.
So that's something.